For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niazi bafowethu, Amakosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. Stellenbosch nil, Orlando Pirates nil at Athlone Stadium in Cape Town. Orlando Pirates going to Cape Town, Ibuya with nothing. Mr. So, and Daguvu Pefumela Pezulu, that. Are you disappointed?
Sheni kunjani mfethu?
Mhlekazo
mhle ngasukubhubhubha ngecala. Ngibulise wena Sheni mfethu,
Thank you, Mr. So.
Ngibulise Mr. Nkewu. Ngibulise chairman, ngibulise hey, Lindo Mkwena. Ngibulise nana emakhaya, ngicela support njalo la Itiski TV. Ngizobe njengoba njalo ngijike futhi. Shane. I always ask this question. When you're planning your team during the week, this is football. Kuba nama injuries,
yeah.
Players maba up, then must be prepared to if kenzakala whoever ulimelayo, I'll put this one. Kenzakala the first 5 minutes, if the player ishaya iphula imaseli, uyazi uyakhipha ufaka abantu.
Sure.
Mawuthola a red card in the first 5 minutes, when uthola a red card, this is how you're going to shape your team. If I'm an opponent, I told a red card, this is how you need to shape your team. I'm so disappointed Uguti Jose didn't show those signs when he still is the got a red card. Because one is they got a red card in a crucial position where it's a center back.
Center back, yeah.
So that means now they need to reshuffle the team. And Steve Barker make sure we have time when the ama changes where he put the center back. Because he knew Uguti anganayo center back. So he had to sacrifice Pambili la Payana so that he can put the center back. What are you doing when I chose in that moment? Because for me, as soon as you get a red card, especially Shane, when a midfielder gets a red card,
yeah,
you can still keep it the way it is.
Sure.
But the defender gets a red card, automatically for you it should ring to say, oh, then they need a strong defender. They're gonna minus a midfielder to bring him back here. So that means I need to add an attacking player. There were moments, Shane, where Van Royeni, Usbisi, Umbogazi, 2x4.
A back.
A back by 4 with one player. One strike by 4.
4.
And then
playing against 10 men.
Then you're saying you want to challenge for the league. When you do this, please.
Yes, you know what shocks me so. Remember, first season got Jose Rivera used to play with 3 defenders.
Yes.
And then he will play with 2 wingers. He will play with Hoto, and then he will play with Lebitso or Monyane. Then he will have 3 center backs.
Yes.
That will, as a wing backs, they will always give him firepower going forward.
Yes.
But this season, it seems like Wamango 4-3-3. Yes, it's been working. Orlando Pirates are having one of their best seasons since the PSL era in 1996.
Yeah.
Orlando Pirates have never accumulated so much points.
Yeah.
In 17 or in 18 games. Yeah. They've played 18. They've never accumulated as points, Manazongo. But Orlando Pirates, are they doing enough to win this league?
Shane, let's not take it away from them.
Yeah.
They've been doing very well.
Very well.
I'm very happy with the way they've been working hard, trying to get those points, putting themselves in a good position. But there were moments where it's so crucial for them to say, now, this is where you need to be very smart from another opposite coach. Because in this game tonight, for me, it was a done deal after the red card. For me, that was a win. Because you just need... Jane, you've got 4 center backs.
Yeah.
4 defenders. You've got 2 central midfielders.
Who are more defensive.
They are more defensive. You still, with that red card, you still keep that 6.
What would you have done differently if you were Jose in that situation too?
For me, it's simple. I was going to take out Musele out. Then when I take out Musele out, and then I will put Umaswangani, and then what I will do again, look at how the game goes again to say they still having that one person up front. Okay. Why? -1. I can take out Mbogazi.
Sure.
Not because Mbogazi is not doing well.
Yeah.
I like the boys.
Because you want to
doing
take
well.
risks.
Look, I need it more than the Stellies. Even if this 3 points, more than the Stellies. So I take out Mbogazi out and then add to Mahopa and then say Mahopa or Mabasa, that is 1v1 to those centre backs. And then you still have Ulotuzana
Unkota.
on the left, you've got
Mofokeng.
Mfokeng on the right, and then Nangulo Umaswanga
Is there.
Yukona. You've got now like ubabambile manje lapha emove ukuthi yaze they were going to be more frustrated, they were going to cause penalties because now Tito Magalbamba once Tito beats Untuli, then that means it's 5v4.
Yeah.
Where's the advantage? Is it Paris have got an advantage?
Now let's talk about Stellies. So we must also give them credit. I mean,
Oh.
holding on to 0-0 from the 32nd minute with 10 men against Orlando Pirates. Even though I feel like they didn't do enough for Orlando Pirates to win the game, but Stellies, they must take credit because defending for Ezamina Zingaga second half, they were solid. Orlando Pirates, I think they only had one shot on target in the second half. La bola ka Relemo Fukeng,
Yeah.
if you remember.
Yes.
So that means Coach Steve Barker had a solid plan at halftime. He told his players, okay, we can still do it. As that changes as Nzileyo, sacrificing with Titus, not the young.
Yeah.
They worked well for his studies. We must also give credit to them. So
That's why I like Coach Steve. Coach Steve, he can read the game very well. Yes, sometimes he does make mistakes. He's a human being. He will make those mistakes. But, you know, in tonight's game, he was spot on. He made changes at the right time. And mind you, he didn't rush. He didn't panic.
Yeah.
After I got a red card. He said, let me see how are we going to do it until halftime. So he read the game and then saw that, okay, this is where I can make changes. And then look at him. The way, that's why I'm saying he's very smart. He took out De Jong and Titus.
Yeah.
And then they put the centre back and the midfielder.
Midfielder, Jabbar,
To
yeah.
say, Chapa, come in, Fanagit, sit here, don't do it. This other boy, centre back.
Was it Dodi Mkaba?
Gaba,
Yeah,
yes.
sure.
Gaba, Genala Paya. They were solid. They were solid. That's why I am not surprised why Unduli was the man of the match. For me, he played very well. He covered that those spaces there at the back. He made sure that these two centre backs, they don't split. They must always be compact. So that whatever spaces that I hear between the right backs and the left backs, Abu Pasadin, he was always covering there. And now in the last, I would say 10 minutes, Steve Barker says, no man, let me just put Upans and Nunku. I want to see how they going to respond.
Yeah.
And they only, you know,
They never got something.
out of nothing.
That is why it's all in the city. Coach Steve Barker. I mean, it's a game of moments. You can see, okay, Orlando Pirates are not doing enough to hurt us. Let's just take the risk. But I didn't see that from Jose.
No, look, you know, Steve Barker, he was very smart. He said, Nduli, I wanted to sit right in front of the defense. And then it was Ulontuzano Chapa. And then it was like, okay, now let me just be a threatening Kubo Mahlob. And then was thinking, go there, Pants, go there. And then you can see how he puts them. You know why he puts them, both of them on the wings? Because he knew that Van Rooyen was going up.
Yeah.
And then Water was going up. So these two, no one wants to take a responsibility to say, if Water goes up, I'll cover it.
Sure.
If Van Rooyen goes up, I'll cover it. So he says, go there and go there. And it really give Pirates some frustration because now Upazi nearly gave us something as Pazamisa where he thought Uchino Pumil and then wanted to take a shot. And there was a shot again. Swayville Lapana
Oh yeah, I remember. Yeah.
Wow. So it tells you Uguti Ulunduzana didn't just play with emotions. You know, yes, he was emotional at some point there after the red card, but you could see Uguti. He came down and then sit down. He was calm and then he used his brains. He didn't use his heart to think. He used his brains to think, to say, look, now I need to make some changes, and he made some good changes, and well done to Steve Barker.
Now Sundowns has won. They beaten Amazulu.
Yeah.
Orlando Pirates Itroshili against
Yeah.
Stellenbosch. 18-point gap. There's a big game on Sunday. So up at Diski TV,
Yeah.
officially should Orlando Pirates lose against Sundowns. Singacho officially good, okay, it's done and dusted.
Yeah, it's something that we seven and I when
Because you must remember, so like game yeah, Sunday.
It's a decider.
Besides why it decider,
Yeah.
it's a game that even the most stubborn Orlando Pirates fan,
Yeah.
after a defeat on Sunday, I don't think Ukono Nobana Mandla would know something can still happen. But if Orlando Pirates beat Sundowns on Sunday, then they might hold on to something.
Yeah, because if Pella is Sundowns a winner,
Yeah.
that will be
21
points.
points.
So that's done. It's finished. There's no way. When Pirates can play a draw in this manner, so that's done. So the only hope a corner is good. Pirates must beat Sundowns, and then let's see going forward. Good Sundowns they're not gonna make mistakes, and then Pirates come back very strongly.
Well, thank you so much, Mr. Zo, for your analysis. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV. It's Orlando Pirates 0 at Cape Town Stadium up against Stellenbosch. Stellenbosch collecting 4 points from Orlando Pirates this season. They collected 6 last season. Now, this season, they've collected 4. Orlando Pirates is 18 points behind E-Log leaders. The current champions, 7-time champions, Imamelodi Sundowns. They're playing a big game on Sunday at FNB Stadium. Umdlalo uzabuqala again go 3:30. We'll be there with Ubobo covering lo mdlalo Orlando Pirates and also Imamelodi Sundowns. But for now, it's Stellenbosch 0, Orlando Pirates 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Hola Bafetu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, bongani bobomnisi bafethu, ngicela subscribe ku Diski TV.